Hello, welcome back to the HKBU Phonology Lab channel. In this episode, we'll share some tips on doing annotation. In particular, how to find the proper IPA symbols for some sounds. When we annotate speech data such as received pronunciation or general American English, usually we know what IPA symbols to use. But when we annotate some data with an accent, we may come across some sounds we are not familiar with. In this made-up case, for example, the speaker intended to produce the English word but. Well, his pronunciation turned out to be but. While it's easier to decide on the vowel and the second consonant, you may wonder what symbols to use for the initial consonant. If you are familiar with IPA, you know this is the bilabial trail. But as beginners, we may need some reference. For beginners, the easiest way is to listen to the pronunciation of IPA symbols. There are many websites illustrating the pronunciation of IPA symbols. In this website, for example, we can click on a consonant to listen.
Ba, a ba. Ba, a ba. Ma, a ma. Ma, a ma. Bra, a bra.
For the sound we are working on, you will realize this is likely to be the consonant we need.
Bra, a bra.
On this website, we can easily copy a symbol and paste it back to Pratt where we want it to be. Here, we can paste the symbol and then Pratt. The annotation is completed for this word. In case we cannot decide on the use of IPA symbol for a vowel, for example, hood, we can do the same by looking at the website. We can listen to this vowel again, hood, and compare its pronunciation with the vowels on this website.
oo, o.
We will realize this is likely to be the closest one, so let's listen to check again. Hood. If we think it's close enough, we can simply copy the symbol and paste it back into Pratt. As a note, what we introduced above is simply a way for beginners to find reference. To use IPA symbols accurately, we need to go through training. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you.